Greetings, Bible nerds! It is I, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic artist, Artsy! Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd! It is I. I'm back. Back to do the drawing again. Happy Valentine's Day for those of you who were celebrating. Hopefully, if you're married, you were celebrating. Hopefully, if you're not married, hopefully you. I just dug myself a hole, didn't I? I didn't mean to remind you that you were not. Not. I hope you had a happy Valentine's Day. I hope you had a happy day. There you go. So, not to make anybody jealous, we had a good day yesterday. I did the cooking. I'm very proud of the eggplant marinara parmesan that I made. It was fantastic. My wife says it was fantastic, so it's not just me saying it was fantastic. And my son had spaghetti, his favorite. So hopefully your Valentine's Day was just as fantastic as ours was. All right, let's see what size this is. Let's get down to number 12. Looks like I have to clean the screen. Alright, so what is going on? So I'm making this Parmesan dish. I'm not really a chef. I just know how to follow a recipe. I just know how to follow instructions. So I get this, I'm scrolling on the internet and I'm finding something that looks good. The photo looks good and the ingredients look like something that I could possibly attain. Like I don't have to go get a pig and hunt for truffles in the forest. So I decided on this recipe for eggplant marinara parmesan. And of course the company, the marinara company that posted the recipe wants you to use their brand of marinara sauce. That was not necessary. I just used regular Prego marinara sauce. I'm not getting paid to say that. Keep on looking for the right pen here. Uh-oh. Let's do it this way, this way, this way. So, I got home at 5 o'clock, and around 7 o'clock, dinner does not look like it's anywhere close to being done, and I have ventured into the point of no return at this point, and I'm thinking, okay, just keep on swimming, just keep on doing what the recipe says, exactly as it says it. I was going to originally use the air fryer to fry up the. I was originally going to use that to fry the eggplant. Some things are not meant for the air fryer. Some things you just can't do with the air fryer. You just gotta do it the old-fashioned way, the old-fashioned greasy way, and fill up a whole pot of oil. up a whole pot of oil. And just let those things float. Let them float until they're golden brown. So the recipe called for 3 eggplants, 3 whole eggplants. That's a lot of eggplant. In case you have never sized up an eggplant, like me, I'm not in the habit of not in the habit of buying eggplants. So I did not know how much eggplant that would be. And as I'm reading the recipe, it sounds like it's going to feed a football team. Not like a high school football team, but like an NFL football team. Like how many servings is this going to create if I put all this eggplant in one dish? So instead of using 3 eggplants, I only use 2 eggplants. And to my surprise, it's a good thing I only used 2 eggplants because that filled up the casserole dish that I was using. If I had a bigger dish, it probably would have been fine. I probably would have been able to use the 3rd eggplant. And then they said, cut the recipe said, cut the eggplant, cut the food into 6 pieces. This will make 6 servings. 6 servings? I cut it into 8 pieces. I used 2/3 of the recipe and cut it into eighths. I guess if you don't have any sides, if you don't have any vegetables or starch with your eggplant parmesan, I guess then the whole dish would be the whole meal. But we also had angel hair pasta, and I was going to get green beans, but on a whim, I just thought that snap peas would be a little bit more exotic, because how often do you have snap peas? In our house, that hardly ever happens. So to make it seem more like a fancy restaurant, we got some snap peas and some angel hair pasta. Not your regular middle of the road medium-sized pasta. Put some marinara sauce on that angel hair pasta. Mwah! Chef's kiss. Mwah! Mwah! Nice. And my wife broke out the champagne that we had left over for